Hey beauties, so I'm starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And I'm going to make a part going from one ear to the other. So I'm just going to twist and tie that front section up so I can get started on the back. With this back section, I'm just going to lightly detangle my hair and make a small part going down. Next, I'm going to go in with my water and lightly mist my hair, just so I can keep it moisturized. Next, I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk to moisturize my hair. Then I'm going to use my Jamaican black castor oil as my sealant just to seal in the moisture. After applying my product, I always like to go through with my wide tooth comb and comb through my hair just to make sure that all the product is evenly distributed. So for my flat twist, I'm just going to make a small section and I'm going to split that section in two, and I'm going to begin twisting. And as I twist, I'm just going to pick up hair. And as you can see, I'm using my index finger as my guide and as the finger to pick up hair. So halfway through my twist, I always like to go back in with the moisturizer and also detangle my hair again, because detangling is really key when doing your braid outs and twist outs. It ensures that you get the best results. And this is how my twist is looking after I'm finished. It's very moisturized and very shiny. And I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps throughout the entire back section. And this is how my back section is looking once I finish. So for the front section, I'm just going to start by making a diagonal part. And after I tie away the other side, with the one side, I'm going to make another diagonal part. And again, apply my water, my moisturizer, my oil, and begin flat twisting. And I'm literally just going to repeat the same steps that I've been doing throughout my entire head. The only difference between the front section and the back section is that I'm going to continue to do diagonal parts on each side. And this is what my hair is looking like once I finish both sides. I ended up having 4 twists on one side and 3 twists on the other. Don't have to know if you need me. I wanna know if you gon' ride or die, ride or die. So I usually like to leave my twists in for about 5 days or so. So one way I like to switch up my style is just to put all of the twists to the back and put it in a ponytail. Another style I'll do is just turn that ponytail into a bun. And once I take my twist down, I'll have a beautiful twist out. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next one. Deuces.